Are you fed up with living paycheck to paycheck? Do you fantasize about achieving financial freedom, but don't know where to begin? Listen up, because the next few minutes could transform your life. In this video, we'll unveil the 7 essential steps to designing your path to wealth in just 7 months. But here's the catch. Not everyone is prepared for this journey. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn. If you're ready for the challenge, keep watching, because the best advice comes at the end. Pay attention now. The first step to achieving wealth is developing a growth mindset. It's not enough to simply want things. You must be willing to put in the effort. As the philosopher Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learn from your failures. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison faced countless setbacks and obstacles in his journey to invent the light bulb, but he never gave up. He viewed each failure as a lesson learned and an opportunity to improve. That's the power of a growth mindset. In contrast, those with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities and intelligence are static. They avoid challenges and give up easily in the face of failure. But as the psychologist Carol Dweck said, the view you adopt for yourself profoundly affects the way you lead your life. If you want to achieve wealth, you must adopt a growth mindset and embrace the challenges on your path. So, how can you cultivate a growth mindset? Start by reframing your thoughts. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," say, "I can't do this yet." Embrace the word "yet," because it implies that with effort and persistence, anything is possible. Seek out new challenges and opportunities to learn. And when you face setbacks, don't beat yourself up. View them as valuable lessons and keep pushing forward. In today's rapidly changing world, it's not enough to simply accumulate knowledge. To succeed, you must develop a valuable skill set. As the Greek philosopher Heraclitus said, "The only constant in life is change." Embrace change by continuously learning and adapting. Consider the parable of the talents in the Bible. A master gave 3 servants different amounts of money or talents before going on a journey. 2 of the servants invested their talents and doubled their money, while the 3rd servant buried his talent out of fear. When the master returned, he praised the first 2 servants for their wise investments, but punished the 3rd servant for his lack of effort. The lesson here is clear. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your skills. It's the surest path to success. But what skills should you develop? The answer depends on your interests and goals. But some valuable skills in today's economy include digital marketing, data analysis, programming, graphic design, project management. These skills are in high demand and can lead to lucrative careers or freelance opportunities. But developing a skill set isn't just about improving your job prospects. It's also about personal growth and fulfillment. When you master a new skill, you gain confidence and a sense of accomplishment. You become more adaptable and resilient in the face of change. So how can you develop a valuable skill set? Start by identifying your interests and passions. What do you enjoy doing? What comes naturally to you? Then seek out resources to help you improve those skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, or find a mentor in your field. Practice consistently and seek out feedback to help you grow. Remember, developing a skill set is a lifelong journey. As the author and motivational speaker Brian Tracy said, continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Embrace the challenge of continuous learning, and you'll be well on your way to achieving wealth. Are you ready for this lesson? Creating multiple income streams is crucial to building wealth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income sources to minimize risk and maximize potential. As the famous investor Warren Buffett said, never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. Think about it this way. If you only have one source of income, you're vulnerable to job loss, market downturns, and other unexpected events. But if you have multiple streams of income, you're better equipped to weather any storm. Even if one stream dries up, you have others to fall back on. So what are some ways to create multiple income streams? Here are a few ideas. Start a side hustle. Turn your skills or hobbies into a profitable business. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or selling handmade crafts on Etsy, a side hustle can provide a valuable source of extra income. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing can provide a steady stream of rental income and long-term appreciation. Consider buying a rental property or investing in a real estate investment trust REIT. Build a portfolio of of stocks and bonds. Investing in the stock market can provide passive income through dividends and capital gains. But be sure to diversify your portfolio across different sectors and asset classes to minimize risk. Create a digital product. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating a digital product like an ebook, course, or software tool. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again for a passive income stream. The key to creating multiple income streams is to start small and build over time. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one stream at a time and gradually add more as you gain confidence and experience. And remember, creating multiple income streams isn't just about making more money. It's also about creating financial security and freedom. As the author and entrepreneur Robert Kiyosaki said, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Build your network of income streams, and you'll be well on your way to achieving wealth. This may seem counterintuitive, but living below your means is essential to building wealth. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. As the philosopher Seneca said, it is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. Think about it this way. If you earn $100,000 per year, but spend $110,000, you're actually in debt. But if you earn $50,000 per year and only spend $40,000, you're saving $10,000 per year. Over time, those savings can add up to significant wealth. So how can you live below your means? Start by creating a budget. Track your income and expenses for a month to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Then, look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you don't need that expensive cable package or daily latte from the coffee shop. Small changes can add up to big savings over time. Another way to live below your means is to avoid lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise or bonus at work, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle by buying a bigger house or nicer car. But resist that urge. Instead, use that extra money to save and invest for your future. Consider the story of the ant and the grasshopper. The ant worked hard all summer to store food for the winter, while the grasshopper played and found himself starving when the cold arrived. Be like the ant and prepare for your financial future. Living below your means now can lead to greater wealth and security down the road. Investing is the key to growing your wealth over time, but it's not enough to just invest. You must invest wisely. As the billionaire investor Ray Dalio said, diversifying well is the most important thing you need to do in order to invest well. Think about it this way. If you put all your money into a single stock and that stock crashes, you could lose everything. But if you spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you're better protected against market volatility. So what are some wise investment strategies? Here are a few ideas. Invest in index funds. Index funds offer broad exposure to the market at a low cost. They're a simple and effective way to diversify your portfolio. Consider real estate. Real estate can provide a steady stream of rental income and long-term appreciation. But be sure to do your due diligence and invest in properties with strong potential for growth. Don't try to time the market. As the economist Paul Samuelson said, investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. Trying to time the market is a fool's errand. Instead, focus on long-term, consistent investing. Seek professional advice. If you're new to investing or have a complex financial situation, consider seeking the advice of a financial advisor. They can help you create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and patience to build wealth through investing. But if you invest wisely and consistently over the long term, you can achieve significant growth and financial security. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with successful, motivated individuals who will inspire and challenge you to reach new heights. As the motivational speaker Jim Rohn said, you must constantly ask yourself these questions. Who am I around? What are they doing to me? What have they got me reading? What have they got me saying? Where do they have me going? What do they have me thinking? And most important, what do they have me becoming? Then ask yourself the big question, is that okay? Think about the people in your life. Are they supporting your goals and dreams? Or are they holding you back? Are they inspiring you to be your best self? Or are they dragging you down with negativity and limiting beliefs? If you want to achieve wealth, you must be willing to let go of negative influences and embrace a community of success. Seek out mentors and role models who have achieved the level of success you aspire to. Attend networking events and join professional organizations in your field. Surround yourself with people who will push you to grow and achieve your full potential. But surrounding yourself with success isn't just about external influences. It's also about your own mindset and habits. Are you reading books and articles that inspire and educate you? Are you setting goals and taking action towards them every day? Are you practicing gratitude and positivity, even in the face of challenges? Remember, success is contagious. When you surround yourself with successful people and adopt successful habits and mindsets, you create a powerful momentum towards achieving your own goals and dreams. This is the most important step of all. You can have all the knowledge and resources in the world, but if you don't take action, you'll never achieve your goals. As the philosopher Lao Tzu said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Think about the goals and dreams you have for your life. Maybe you want to start your own business, buy your dream home, or retire early. Whatever your goals may be, the only way to achieve them is to take action. But taking action can be scary. It means stepping outside your comfort zone and facing the possibility of failure. That's why so many people never take the first step towards their dreams. They're paralyzed by fear and doubt. But here's the thing, failure is a necessary part of success. Every successful person has faced failure and setbacks on their journey. The difference is that they didn't let those failures stop them. They learned from them and kept moving forward. Consider the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. For the first 4 years after planting, there is no visible growth above ground. But underground, the tree is developing a strong root system. In the 5th year, the tree can grow up to 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. Success is like that Chinese bamboo tree. It takes time and consistent effort to lay the foundation for growth. But when that growth finally comes, it can be explosive. So how can you take action towards your goals? Start by breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps. Set deadlines for yourself and hold yourself accountable. Seek out resources and support to help you along the way. And most importantly, don't let fear and doubt hold you back. Embrace the challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, the only limit to your success is the one you set for yourself. So dream big, take action, and never give up. Your wealth and success await. In conclusion, building wealth is not a quick or easy process, but it is possible with the right mindset, strategies, and actions. The 7 steps we've outlined in this video: cultivating a growth mindset, developing a valuable skill set, creating multiple income streams, living below your means, investing wisely, surrounding yourself with success, and taking action are all essential pieces of the puzzle. But here's the thing, most of you watching this video won't be ready to absorb and implement all these lessons today. That's okay. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and consistent application of these principles. That's why we encourage you to come back and re-watch this video as many times as you need. Take notes, set goals, and create a plan of action. And don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel for more in-depth lessons and strategies on achieving financial success. Remember, the path to wealth is not a solo journey. Surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals who will support and inspire you along the way. Engage with others in the comments section below and share your own experiences and insights. And most importantly, take action. Don't let this video be just another piece of content you consume and forget. Use it as a catalyst for change in your life. Start implementing these steps today. No matter how small or insignificant they may seem, every journey begins with a single step. Your wealth and success are waiting for you, but it's up to you to take the first step and design your own path to financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started.